How to fix Safari's slow download speed on iPhone. For that, go to settings, click on Wi-Fi, click on the eye icon at the side of your Wi-Fi name, scroll it down till you find configure DNS, click on it, click on manual and delete the DNS servers by clicking on the minus icon and click on delete. Delete the second DNS server also and click on add server and type here 8.8.8.8 and click on add server once again, and this time type 8.8.4.4 and click on save. Then go back and check if that fixes your issue. If not, then go to settings once again, scroll it down till you find apps over there, click on it, scroll till you find Safari and click on it. Then scroll a bit down till you find clear history and website data, click on it and click on clear history and then see if that fixes your issue. If not, then go to settings once again, then click on general, scroll to the bottom till you find transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset and click on reset network settings, and this should fix your issue. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Mac369 and hit a like.